Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on NFC payment options in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn NFC on, we have to go to our settings menu right here, and in connections we have NFC and contactless payments. Here we have a short explanation what these functions do. To turn it on, we simply check this little box. Usually it's turned on by default, but if it's not, you can find it in connections right here. And now we can pay using our phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.